Have you ever wanted to run a busier studio with less busy work? ABC Glofox is the all-in-one platform built for boutique studios and gyms. All of the tools you need to manage your business, engage your members, and automate growth in one easy-to-use platform. Whether you have one location or 100, ABC Glofox scales with you. Your branded app provides members with a premium experience, making joining, booking, and buying effortless so that more customers show up more often. Behind the scenes, the ABC Glofox dashboard and staff app keeps schedules tight, tasks organized, and performance crystal clear. Payments are collected directly in your app via card or digital wallet. Automated fees for no-shows and late cancellations help protect your revenue, while Glofox automatically follows up with overdue members. And with ABC Accelerate built right in, leads turn into trials, and trials become loyal members, automatically. From first touch to a birthday high five, every step is personalized. ABC Glofox from ABC Fitness, powering gyms and studios worldwide. Book a demo today.